It is a freezing cold morning, and you are ready to head out, but your diesel engine just refuses to wake up, no matter how many times you turn the key. Or maybe it finally stumbles to life, but runs incredibly rough. This is the classic headache associated with a P0678 code, which means the glow plug circuit for cylinder number 8 has failed. Unlike gasoline engines, a diesel relies on the heat generated by intense compression to ignite the fuel. But when the metal engine block is ice cold, that heat vanishes instantly. That is where the glow plug comes in, acting like a pencil-shaped electric heater that gets red hot to create a localized hotspot so the fuel can catch fire easily. Your PCM or powertrain control module monitors the oil and transmission temperature to decide exactly how much help the engine needs to start. If the glow plug on cylinder number 8 is not pulling its weight, you will deal with a hard start, a lack of power until things warm up, or even a cloud of smoke from the unburnt fuel. To get to the bottom of this, you are going to need a DV, OM, or a digital volt ohm meter. Start by pulling the connector off the glow plug at cylinder 8 and testing the resistance by placing one lead on the plug terminal and the other on a good ground. You are looking for a reading between 0.5 and 2.0 ohms. Anything outside that range means the glow plug is toast and needs to be replaced. If the plug itself is fine, you need to look at the wiring leading back to the relay bus bar on the valve cover. These wires often act as fusible links, so check for any signs of cracking or loose connections that might be breaking the circuit. Sometimes the glow plug control module itself is the culprit, especially if you have other related codes. Just remember that diesel engines are stubborn when they are cold, so making sure that number 8 cylinder is getting the heat it needs is the key to getting back on the road without a struggle.